Welcome back to W3D Studio. Yes, a bit late to the party, but now I'm using a newer generation 3D printer, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini. And let me share some fun stuff along the way. Sometimes I want to print a design with texture on both the upper and lower surfaces. For example, with this guitar pick, I want to have the best grip. In this case, using the usual slicing profile together with the textured build plate will help achieve that. But in other cases, like these backboard hooks, I would want both surfaces to be smooth with less friction. So for this one, I smooth out the upper surface using the ironing setting in the slicer profile, and the preference I usually use is topmost surface. Meanwhile, for the lower face of the print, I'm using a smoother build plate. Or in this video, I'm using a dual-sided build plate, with one side being a 3D effect plate with a carbon fiber pattern. If you're also interested, just make sure that it is designed for the material you use, set the slicer correctly, and also do bed leveling since it might have a different thickness from the plate you usually use. And this is the result. And with the magnetic build plate, I can easily switch between many types of surfaces using just one machine. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.